Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing some skincare featuring Fenty Skin. Now I must be the last person on earth to try Fenty Skin, and that's simply because I don't jump on bandwagons. But I'm getting more into my skincare, I'm getting older, and of course I want to stay looking young and fresh. So I had my eyes on this for a while. And let me just talk you through the kit really quickly and then we can get started. So I've got here the total cleanser which is 45 milliliters, the fat water which is 50 milliliters, and that's a toner slash serum. I also have the Hydra Visor, which is an invisible moisturizer with SPF 30. This is a basic everyday skincare kit that is perfect for beginners who just want to test it out, or you want to travel with it. And it doesn't specialize in any type of skin problems. That's why I call it basic. I'm not trying to diss the brand. I got this for £32 from Boots. Boots normally deliver within 3 to 5 business days. And yeah, so I'm excited to try this Fenty Skin. I got my little headband ready to keep my hair out of the way, and this is from Amazon. I'll leave all links down below. So let's get started. So to begin, I'm starting off with the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser to remove it all cleanser. That's what it's called. So the directions say to use day and night, to remove makeup, dirt and impurities, use it on wet skin, work into a lather and rinse. So I started off by spritzing my face. As you can see, I smelled the product. It smells really good. I love that Barbados cherry that's inside, and a little bit goes a long way because it's quite thick and easy to spread around on the face. But because I wasn't in my bathroom and I wasn't under, like using a running tap, that's why the product didn't suds up so much. And then on top of it, I used this face loafer to give me a deeper clean because I wanted to get rid of some of the blackheads and stuff that I have. And the face loafer took away the face cleanser. So I'm going to show you in a different clip, because I went to wash my face for the second time, this time using lots of water in the bathroom. So the product does suds up. And after rinsing, I'm going to pat my face dry with a clean tissue paper and ignore that patch that is left on my cheek. Then I'm going in with the Fenty Skin Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. Again, day and night use on clean skin. Apply over face with fingers or a cotton pad. So I'm just pressing it into the skin. These are the directions that I've seen online, and that's the first time I've ever used a toner in this way. It's quite cool. The toner kind of smells a bit like herbs, but it's not like smelly or strong. And then lastly, I'm going in with the Fenty Skin Hydra Visor Invisible Moisturizer SPF 30. And again, just use daily and use before makeup. And I'm trying to remember to be gentle and to moisturize going in an upward motion, so to help prevent wrinkles. The moisturizer did not leave my skin feeling very soft and smooth, so out of the three, the moisturizer was my least favorite. Now I'm going in with my rose facial oil that I made myself, and I will leave a video link down below or at the end of this video if you want to learn more about that. I'm really getting into facial oils and I love the glowy look and feel that it gives me. And then lastly, I'm going to go in with this PawPaw Lip Balm. It's made here in Great Britain and it's really good for moisturizing your lips, and you can use it for other multiple purposes. Next, I'm going in with this face, I don't know what it's called, but it's for the face, and I got it from the Body Shop, and I'm just using it to push in the moisturizer, the serum and the oil, and make sure that everything sinks in nicely, and it helps to just smoothen out the skin and smoothen out any wrinkles that you might have. So these are my end results. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you for watching.